Again, we're here to hit tiny features, have a mini session. It's gonna be heavy. Look at that old chairlift pole, that's so sick. Let's go! Oh! Dude, you can board slide now.
Yeah.
Now you just gotta send it on everything. What up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Gore in another tiny gondola. I did not know the East Coast had this many gondolas, but they're all super tiny. Anyways, today's gonna be sick. We got the crew, Benton, Vinny, Greg, and then we picked up Jessica, local, and she's gonna show us around Gore because none of us have been here, and she says she throws down, so we're super stoked. But enough talking. Let's just start snowboarding. We're tired. Look at that old chairlift pole, that's so sick. I saw that coming. That was scary. That was the first chunk of ice we found. This chairlift has hair. Alright guys, so we just kind of bombed around Gore real quick. It was like the first thing we did instead of the last thing. So we went and did a bunch of screamer runs. Checked out the back. It's a sick mountain. It got a lot of like gnarlier terrain, so that was super sick. But now we're here at their park. We did kind of like a run through it at the, like we only did half the park and it was sick. So the actual entrance to the park is up here. I think we're gonna get like double the features if we actually start at the top. And we're just super excited. Gore's been super fun so far. Snow is incredible. There's no ice at Gore. No ice on the East Coast, guys. I still don't know what you're talking about.
I'm in debt to know him, but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. Doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm backed up.
Guys, it's puking right now. Also, that park is sick, we're throwing down in there. But on the way to the park, and I haven't shown this yet, I'm working with Greg. He can S-turn, he can rip, but we're trying to fine tune it and make it more aggressive, more of a carving than just kind of S-turning. So there is a difference between an S-turn and carving. So I'm gonna work with Greg on a couple drills and I'm excited to share them with you. So the first thing I'm gonna do with Greg is I'm gonna make him follow my S-turns, because what a lot of people tend to do is they come out of their turn too soon. So I want Greg to kind of hold his turns a little longer and then apply equal pressure through the turn. about to dip off this pretty busy run, and we're gonna have Greg work on doing a toe side turn across the fall line. So the fall line is the downward section of a run, but going across it means you go from one side of the run to the other. You wanna do this on a not busy run because you'll get smoked if you're not looking uphill. The reason why we wanna do that turn is when you start snowboarding up the run, it really makes you have to apply pressure on both of your feet. It's a really good drill to get better at your toe side turns. So those are just 2 drills I'm gonna give Greg today. He'll just play around with them today whenever he feels like he can kind of do it. You guys should do it too. It will help your carving. Obviously following a buddy that can carve will help you carve, but the idea with that whole section was hold onto your turns a little longer. A lot of you guys are kind of just back foot ruddering, like, let's make some turns. Right, Vinny?
Right. It's obvious, I know that you left me alone inside this empty, broken hole. And now you'll be the reason why my soul is tainted. Somebody help me, 'cause I'm feeling trapped and I don't know what to do. There's no one to save me from this hurt I feel deep within my bones. Did you ever think of me and see the things I did? Sold my soul and everything I was to the lowest bid. Crawled into your poison dome yet every single time. You got into my mind, you got into my mind. But all I ever wanted was you. But you left me alone inside these empty, broken walls. And I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know that you left me alone inside this empty, broken hole. And now you'll be the reason why my soul is tainted. So how can I fix
Guys, we only have an hour left.
Well, what are we gonna do then, Jonathan?
We are gonna do today's sticker shout out. For today's sticker shout out, we're gonna shout out some skiers. We got Griff Harvey with the white Evolution sticker, ski sticker on his helmet, looking sick.
Looking sick.
And we also got Jaden the King 101 rocking a ski Evolution sticker. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. We got the snowboard version as well as the ski version, and that's on the hoodies, t-shirts, and long sleeves. I got 2 skiers covered because this channel is full of skiers that also support the dream. So guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. Anytime you snag merch, it allows me to travel, to come to cool places like Gore and make this content. So thank you so much for supporting the dream. If you do snag any merch too though, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also if you're not following the Instagram, you're missing out on a ton of bonus extra content. So follow the Instagram so you know where I'm riding each day, because if you were at Gore and I'm at Gore, you'll be like, oh, Jonathan's at Gore, we can meet up, take some laps together. It's super sick. That's what Jessica did, even though Benton's attacking her right now. And yeah, you having fun? I like your heart.
I love this place.
How's your new snowboard?
It's amazing.
If you missed yesterday's video, which is right here, he completely ejected out of 1 foot, and we had snowboard disaster. It actually ended our day a little early. And now he's on a fresh new Arbor Westmark? Arbor something.
Arbor something 158.
It's an Arbor something 158. That board's sick.
Reverse camber, perfect for pow day.
Perfect for pow. Alright guys, we're gonna go to this hike park that's down in this area. It looks super sick. There you go, see? Let's go! So they have this really awesome hike session, which is like a ton of beginner rails. So let's get Greg hitting some rails. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Stand up straight. Stomped it! Alright guys, so we picked up Tyler and Julia, and once again, we're here to hit tiny features, have a mini session. It's gonna be heavy. A heavy mini session. Greg, you crushed it, by the way.
That was a 10.
Oh, too slow. So Greg is like, he's got 50/50s on box dialed. We're talking about maybe getting him. Oh, here comes Tyler. We've been talking about maybe getting him to try a board slide today, but we gotta get him comfortable with a rainbow. You've never hit a rainbow, right? No. Yeah, he's never hit this type of feature before. How's it feel? Dude, you're crushing it. There we go. Crushed it. Right where I'm standing, try to do the counter rotation. Keep your feet flat, okay? That'll be the #1 thing you'll mess up. Oh! You okay? Wait till the top, wait till the top. Yes! Dude! Let's go! That's a board slide. Now we just gotta ride away. How did that feel, dude?
Kind of gnarly, but I'll get it.
Dude, let's go.
Forward.
Guys, it's absolutely puking right now. I swear, there is no ice on the East Coast. You guys are a bunch of liars. But this is a good session. Greg's gonna get this board slide. We're just having some fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And the fact that this is a completely different pace than we normally make our videos. So first off, if you're enjoying it, smash that like button. We've dropped some knowledge in this video today. So smash like for the knowledge, but also if you're new to the channel, you should subscribe. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible, as well as my homies and everything. So hit that subscribe button. I drop a ton of how-to videos, and in the vlogs sometimes I share golden nuggets, and so you got to find the golden nuggets and you'll become a better rider too.
I want some
Greg's
chicken nuggets.
Yeah, you want some? We're getting a little hungry. We got another mountain today too, by the way, but that'll be a whole nother video. Feet flat, feet flat, feet flat. There it is, there it is.
Yeah!
Let's go! I don't want that to go anywhere, dude. Dude, you can board slide now.
Yeah.
Now you just got to send it on everything. Let's go. That's why we came to this little park. Did you think you were going to board slide this morning when you woke up?
Not at all.
Dude, let's go. By the way, if you want to get coached by me on snow, there's only one way to do it. That's snowboard camp in June in Mount Hood at Oregon. It's the sickest thing ever. It's an all-inclusive snowboard camp. 18 and up, adults only, 2 weeks, so you can sign up for the first week or the second week. It's linked in the description. Sign up for snowboard camp if you want to get taught by me. You want to come out and learn board slides. If you're Greg's level, camp is great for you. If you're my level, camp is also great for you. We will have 2 coaches out there, me being myself, an additional one. It's so sick. If you missed any of the camp videos, I'm gonna throw one right here. Sign up for snowboard camp, get better at snowboarding. Greg, dude, let's go.
Yes, yes. First try, stomped it.
Woo! Oh! Did you mean to do board slide?
Damn, he went for
What
it.
is he doing? He just went all for the board slide. I love it.
Same thing though.
Easy.
Woo!
Forward.
Oh! Let's go. Yes. Oh, the switch. Dude, he's gonna get this and then we're out of here. Oh, close. Yes! Oh! He's so close. Dude, you're so close. It's amazing. Sadly, that's where we're gonna end it. He got the clean one on the box, and the best part about Greg's board slide is it's full 90. He's just working on the exit, and he's doing it on a rail. You're almost as good as me, dude.
Yeah.
So this was a sick day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Greg sending it, and then the boys, they were kind of snowboarding, but yeah, today was sick. But we're on our way to West Mountain now. This will be our 10th ski resort in 6 days, and then on the day we fly out, we're hitting one more. We're doing 11 ski resorts in 7 days. It's kind of madness. We're actually mad we couldn't get one more. They just didn't have night riding. We would have rode one yesterday, but It's fine. We're killing it. Our bodies are thrashed. We're having a good time. If you want to know where we've gone snowboarding, check out my snowboard map. It's got a list of where we went, and then when you hover over the little green guys, it shows you all the videos in those locations. You can watch them. But we are on a mission to ride every resort in the United States. We're over 60. There's 464. I was saying 470, but I think a couple closed. So right now, there's 464 ski resorts. It's going to take some years, so subscribe. But we're going to do it, and it's going to be fun. And we're also going to come to the not icy East Coast a lot and get this powder because it's been puking the whole time we're here. We got the Galaxy. Let's go.
It's a little. We got this one too.
That white on white. That one blends in so well. Guys, thanks for shredding with us today. We had a crew. Boom, boom, boom. Who are you? All right, guys. Thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never.
It's puking! That was so dumb.
Okay, let's try it again.
No, it's so dumb.
Ready? 3,